Creation begins with a thought and grows with the space it's given. At Nims Institute of Design and Fashion Technology, that space shapes ideas into something real, something that can be seen, worn, and experienced. Set within a 450-plus acre campus with 25 years of academic strength and 20,000-plus students, the environment supports constant creation and exchange. Design here moves across directions, from fashion to product, interiors to merchandising, helping you discover what defines your work. The process is built on making, through advanced studios, digital tools, 3D prototyping, and sustainable practices that bring clarity to your craft. Explore creative pathways through programs like Bachelor of Design and Fashion and Textile. As you move forward, opportunities open across styling, design development, retail, and creative roles. Backed by 2,000-plus recruiters and 45,000-plus placement opportunities, with outcomes up to 60 lakh rupees per annum in India and 1.2 crore rupees internationally, Nims University, Rajasthan. The future is already enrolled.